Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02327 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#score. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Now what I am going to do, I am creating one table. Create table. My table contains two columns: name, which is a VARRAY data type, image, which having the data type blob. Table is created. Okay. Now I am going to create one index. Create index, image index on my table image column. ORA-02327 cannot create index on expression of the data type LOB. So you cannot create index for the image column with the data type blob. So instead of that, you change the column which has the valid data type. So now I am creating the index for the name column instead of creating for the image column with blob data type. I am creating index for the name column which I am VARRAY data type. So either you change the data type or change the column.